Do you remember the carefree days of your childhood? Today, I'm going to share some creative ways to talk about your childhood in English that will make your stories come alive. Let's dive into the memories and learn how to express them beautifully. What's your favorite childhood memory? Think about it while we explore how to share our past in English. When I was a child, I lived in a small town surrounded by nature. I loved climbing trees and playing outside with my friends. Every summer, we would ride our bikes to the lake and spend hours swimming and laughing. I remember feeling so free and happy. Now, let's learn some useful phrases to help you talk about your childhood. Try using these phrases to describe your own childhood stories. It will make your English sound more fluent. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your favorite childhood memory? Share it in the comments below. Use some of the phrases we just learned. I can't wait to read your stories. Let's talk about some common mistakes people make when discussing their childhood. Many students say, I am play outside instead of I played outside. Make sure to use the past tense when talking about your childhood experiences. The correct form is I used to go to the park, not I used to go to the park. Instead of saying, I had fun, be specific. Say, I had fun building sandcastles at the beach. Instead of saying, when I child was, say, when I was a child. Ensure your phrases follow the correct structure. Avoid starting too many sentences with in or but. For example, say, I loved playing outside. I also enjoyed reading books. Instead of, and I loved playing outside. but I enjoyed reading books. Okay? Avoid these mistakes and your storytelling will become more engaging.
Past simple tense. Used for completed actions. Example, I played. I went. Used to describe habits or situations that no longer exist. Example, I used to ride my bike every day. Past continuous tense. To describe actions that were ongoing in the past. Example, I was playing outside when it started to snow. Use phrases like when I was younger, every summer, or back in the day to provide context for your stories. So, you might say, when I was younger, I used to climb trees. I was always outdoors with my friends. This helps to paint a vivid picture of your childhood.
So today we learned creative ways to talk about our childhood, useful phrases, common mistakes to avoid, and the grammar to use. Remember, your childhood stories are unique and deserve to be shared. Don't forget to comment with your favorite childhood memory. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips on improving English. Let's keep sharing our stories together.